Hey mom, I just got home today and just saw the video about me and Mocha, about the video you made about similarities between me and Mocha. To the viewers, it might seem like a surprise, but my mom actually confuses me and Mocha very often. She would sometimes yell Mocha's name 3 times, and then in the middle, the very end, she'll be like, Mocha, Mocha, Mocha. And she'll wait a second and say, and Gary. And then I'll look back, and then, you know, I just pretend that nothing happens. Got back and saw the video, and I'll show you what I did today. Stay tuned.
This is gonna be the preview of the vlog. Dogs fighting. What?
Is it focus?
No.
Here's Rob, Makoto, and Anna.
Hello. Hi, I'm Anna and I'm your Coast to Coast resident nature specialist. Here we have a nurse log. This fallen log has created habitat for this western hemlock and vaccinium species to grow.
Whoa. So one fallen log creates 2 more. Ponzi scheme.
Correct.
Herbalife. Reporting for Coast to Coast, Gary and Gary's Mom channel. This here is a Salah without an H.
Nice.
Hello and welcome to Bernstein Lake. This is Sword Fun.
It's Bunsen.
Hey guys, it's Ian over here. Doing some nice hike and appreciating nature today. Over here we have some deer fern.
We got step moss right here.
Wow.
As you can see, they're in
Clearly
steps.
fucking steps.
Hylocomnium spondias.
Splendid.
Splendid.
Alright, so here we have a bald eagle all the way out here. They're in the distance. I don't know. I don't have a zoom lens so you guys can't see. Oh my god.
Oh, that's so cool. That is big, actually.
It's huge.
That's huge. That's super cool.
Wow. Amazing.
Kyphosis is a common disease found in many individuals from ages 18 to 25. Follow these 3 steps to change your lifestyle and fix your kyphosis. First, tuck your chin in when you walk. Stand with a straight back and pull your shoulders down. That's all for today, folks. Next time on the Kyphosis channel.
How would you rate this hike, Anna? Out of 10.
10 out of 10. Every hike is 10 out of 10, of course.
Really? I think I like this hike. This hike was like not that hard compared to Golden Ears. And then
It's very flat.
it's very flat and you get great views all on the way. I would recommend this hike, Bunsen Lake. Pretty fun.
10 minutes from Coquitlam, very close to Vancouver.
Oh yeah. Okay, back to you, Mom, for tomorrow. Anna, would you rather eat the slug or eat the poop? Or eat the slug after you ate the poop? Ew, dude, he's taking a chunk out of it.